Hello everyone, we are back with another video, and today's video I'm going to be flying this Parrot drone. We are not up to the Phantom 4 today, as you can see. We're up to this one, and so just enjoy the video. So let's get it running. So let me push this button on. That's got it. There we go. The iPad was a bit shut down. So right here you just press take off. It's really it takes off straight away. So because of the small motors. Anyways, let's get going. Just point the camera there. It is a bit small. It is a bit slow rotating, as you can see. You can see right here, it's not a good camera. It's a bit, yeah, it's not as good as the Phantom 4. Alright, I'm just gonna lift this up. And off it goes. Enjoy the flight. The battery's halfway down. Yeah, it is a bit quiet, as you can see. Ooh. Just gonna land it on the zooming in the camera. You can zoom in the camera too. Perfect landing. And as you can see, a few minutes later, you can see the battery right here. It's low now, so it's exactly not like the Phantom 4. But anyways, guys, I hope you did enjoy that video, and I'll see you later.